Look at these popsicle sticks, boys and girls. I need your help. I wonder, how can we count the popsicle sticks in a way that is fast, accurate, and efficient? That means we really want to be able to do it quickly, but we also want to make sure we do it correctly. Do you have any ideas? Well, is it more efficient to count by ones, by twos, by fives, or tens? What do you think? Did you say tens? You're right. The tens are the biggest, so there are fewer of them to confuse us when we count, and our counting would go much more quickly. So, are you ready to count with me? Alright, here we go. So, we can count 10 popsicle sticks and then wrap them in a rubber band to make 1 unit of 10. Count with me. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, I just made 1 unit of 10 or 10. I'm gonna wrap them with rubber band. So, let's keep making units of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we're done counting by 10. But I wonder, is there a way we could count these units of 10 even faster instead of counting by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50? Do you know another way we could group besides just grouping into 10? Did you say 100? Yes! Kiss your brain, boys and girls! Now that we have these groups of 10, we can make even larger units called hundreds. Alright, so count with me as I make 1 unit of 100 or 100. Here we go. Let's start here. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, let me just put that away. 100. How many groups of 10 did we make? Let's count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, we made 10 groups of 10s or 10 tens. That means 10 groups of 10 will give 1 bundle of 100. Wow! This is going to make our counting even faster, boys and girls. I'm gonna use my magic rubber band, and here is my first bundle of 100. We're done counting and bundling by hundreds. Now let's review how did we start counting. So first, to make a group of 10, we needed 10 individual sticks. And now, to make a group of 100, we needed 10 groups of 10. So another way to say 10 tens is 100. We just bundled 100 here. And here are the rest of our 100 here. Now here's the challenge, boys and girls. how many hundreds do you think we'll need to make 1,000? Think about the pattern of numbers as we move from ones to tens to hundreds. How many hundreds do you think make 1,000? Did you say 10 hundreds, boys and girls? If you did, you are correct. There are 10 hundreds in 1,000 because we always make one bigger group out of 10 smaller groups. So, like this, we counted as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we get a new unit. 10 of a smaller unit make one of the next largest unit. Alright, boys and girls, let's count all the hundreds and let's bundle them till we make 1,000. Here we go. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000! So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds make 1,000. Let's review all of our units in order from smallest to largest. So first we had ones, next is tens, hundreds, and what comes after hundreds? Thousands. Let's do some practice. I have 2 ones here. Now I wonder how many ones do I need to make a unit of 10 or 10? Right, we need 8 more ones to make 1 unit of 10 or 10. So here we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There you go, because 2 plus 8, that is equals to 10. Now we just made 1 unit of 10 or 10. I have here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 6 tens. And now I want to make 100. How many more tens do we need to make 100? Right, we need 4 more tens to make 100. So let's do that, boys and girls. That's 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Because 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 plus 40 is equals to 100. Now, we just made 1 unit of 100 or 100. This time, we need to model the following numbers. So we've got 2 tens, 7 ones, and 6 hundreds. Now let me get our 2 tens. Here are our 2 tens. Next one is 7 ones. So let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last one is our 6 hundreds. Here we go. Count with me. That's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and 600. Here are our models. But did you notice something is wrong with our models? Right. We need to rearrange our models from largest to smallest. So let's do that. Since hundreds are the largest unit, we have to rearrange it this way. Okay? So, the value of the models here is 627. Here are some ways to show the number. We've got the standard form, 627. We also have the expanded form. We've got 627. And at the bottom, we have the word form. There are so many ways to show a number. We have the model, the standard form, expanded form, and the word form. Wow, we worked so hard today, boys and girls, in bundling and counting by ones, tens, hundreds to 1,000.